Hello! Welcome back! Flat for Education is the best solution to create any music notation activity in Google Classroom. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate our platform with Google Classroom and how to create assignments for your students there. Bear in mind that you need a Flat for Education account to use this feature. Once a class is synchronized on Flat for Education, feature roster updates will be instant and automatic. First, we need to create a new class and click on Use Google Classroom. An important detail: if you didn't authorize Flat to access your Google Classroom class before, you'll be prompted to do so. You need to select the class that you want to synchronize on Flat. Click on Synchronize Class. Now that you have synced your Google Classroom class, you might be wondering how to create assignments in there. Well, you need to create an assignment on our platform as usual, and it will be automatically posted to your Google Classroom stream. By the way, we handle a two-way synchronization of the modifications and your students' submissions. Remember, you can copy an assignment to other classes. Due to a limitation of Google Classroom, Flat for Education doesn't have the right to access the assignments you copy from the Google Classroom interface. That's why, if you want to reuse an assignment, make the copy using our interface. This is all for now. See you in the next video where we'll talk about the student's experience. Bye!